are back here with another Let's Play, and right now I have the camera on top of the gun. We got Adrian again, and Cameron, and me again. But yeah, so we are going to have Nerf Battle Part 2. Everybody needs to take their places right about now. As you know, last time I got shot first quarter. I'm not trying to have that again. And yes, I have it on my gun right now. I'm just trying not to get shot. I've been spotted by enemy. We're looking for other enemy. Other enemy has not been spotted. Enemy spotted right there. Told him. He shot off my ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enemy has been spotted. He has shot my ear off. Yeah. I'm probably gonna die. He's aiming for me again. Yeah, so I hopped on. Yeah, so oh, spotted. Enemy has spotted me. I'm shutting the barrier down. Probably gonna get shot. Yeah. So I'm reloading right now. Bullets can fly through this, as you can see. Yeah. Oh, enemy pursuing. Oh, I'm getting shot at right now. Oh man, they're lighting me up. Enemy pursued. I didn't take the shot, and